Well, today is a day to give back. Of course, it is Giving Tuesday. It's the movement encouraging everyone to be generous this holiday season and to raise billions of dollars for nonprofit organizations throughout the past 10 years.
Also this morning, we are highlighting a national giving campaign helping young hospital patients and their families as well.
That's right. St. Jude's Thanks and Giving campaign supports the hospital, which provides free cancer care to every child who needs it.
Yeah, campaign founder Marlo Thomas is live with us this morning to talk about this, to share how you can help them reach their goal. Marlo, good morning. It is so good to have you.
Good morning to you.
Yeah, so talk a little bit about the campaign and talk about how money raised from this is going to support patients and their families.
Well, you know, we need the money. At St. Jude, we're not for profit and nobody pays. That was my father's founding promise, that no family would ever pay St. Jude for treatment or travel or housing or food. And so in order to do that, we have to come out to the public and ask their help. And amazingly, 90% of our funds do come from the American public. And that's very exciting because, you know, St. Jude has been here for 60 years. So people know now that it's the real deal. They know that nobody pays. And they know that we send out our discoveries worldwide the minute we get them. So that's what St. Jude is about. So it isn't hard to raise money for St. Jude, but it certainly is important to do it because we have one mission in mind, and that is to save children's lives. And we do it through our groundbreaking science and our first-class care. And we have the most wonderful setup at St. Jude for families to get their care. And then also we expanded our mission by building the family commons that the great AbbVie Corporation funded. And this is a place that's aside from the hospital, away from treatments, and just as a place to hang out. The kids go to school there. They can do science projects, art projects. There's a fabulous cafe, and the parents are there to hang out with each other. There's resting nooks for them to be on their computers and pay their bills or be in touch with their friends and talk to each other. The moms and dads, you know, have a time where they can just hang out and sort of console each other and help each other. It's just a great place. St. Jude does everything we can to heal the child both physically and emotionally. And I'm very, very proud of that. But it does take a lot of money. And since we founded the Thanksgiving program 19 years ago, my sister and brother and I, we have raised over $1 billion, which is really amazing. The first year we only raised $8 million. But through the years, we've added up to over $1 billion. And it's very important at this time of year, thanks and giving time. You know, we say to the families, give thanks for the healthy kids in your life and give a gift of a lifetime. It is a lifetime of goodness that you give to these families. You go to all of these wonderful stores that are our partners, Williams-Sonoma and Pottery Barn and PayPal and Best Buy, Domino's Pizza. They all open up their doors and their hearts and say, come on in and leave $1 for the children of St. Jude. And at this very busy time of year, they're willing to take the time to do that. Oh, you can also just go to stjude.org and learn more about the campaign, and you can also donate. So we have lots of ways for you to give money to the children of St. Jude.
Well, that's great.
Yeah.
Marlo, thank you for joining us this morning. St. Jude, world renowned for their care and research. Marlo Thomas, thank you for joining us this morning. We appreciate it.